Do you remember how we changed the array methods one after another? For example, filter, map, and reduce. So by changing these methods, we could first filter an array, then map the result, and finally reduce the result of the map all in one line of code. And we actually implement the same ability of changing methods and the methods of our class. So let's do that now. And actually, this is extremely easy to do. So all we have to do is to return the object itself at the end of a method that we want to be changeable. So let's say that we wanted to do this. So let me take that away from here. So chaining, so let's say we wanted to do a count and then deposit. So let's say 300, and then right afterwards we wanted to do a deposit again on the same account. So we would like to call deposit again right away. Let's say 500 this time, and then immediately after that, let's say we want to withdraw 35. Maybe we also want to request a loan in the middle of this. So request loan, let's say 25,000, and finally we want to withdraw some more. So let's say 4,000. So right now this is not gonna work. So let's see error. So the problem here is that, so this one here will work, but this will return nothing because let's see, deposit method does return undefined because we are not returning anything explicitly here. And so then undefined gets returned. And so then here, and this next one, which is a result for all this, and therefore we get exactly that error here. So what we need to do is to call deposit actually on the account. And so what we want is for the result of this here to be again the account. And so let's do that. So all we have to do is to return this, because this is of course the current object. And now we do the same all of them. And here the same. So returning this will essentially make the method changeable, and this makes more sense and methods that actually set some property. And so all of the three that we just did this actually do that. So this one sets the movements here, this one actually too, and this one also change the movement array. And so all of this basically sets some property, and so these are the very useful to make changeable. So let's see now where we get no error and we get low approved. So that means that probably everything worked here. So let's take a look at our account here. Actually, let's call account.getMovements. So that's why we have this method in the public API. And so indeed, all the deposits and withdrawals that we just did are now in this movements array.